Who turned off my TV? Go outside? Well, what could be outdoors?
Alex Garner. I'm a lead mentor here at Science U. In our ecology camp, campers will be learning about how we can preserve nature as regular people. We don't have to be experts on a subject. We don't have to know everything about animals or about plants to know how to take care of the things around us. We have a lot of cool activities set up for our campers this week. This morning we got to see a fish hatchery where they raise and restock trout in some of the Pennsylvania waters. We're also doing a stream study this afternoon, so we get to test the pH level, the oxygen content in the waters to determine whether life can live there. And we're also taking a lot of nature walks, a lot of hikes. We get to look at a lot of wildlife and learn a little bit about how they impact the ecosystem around them.
Hi, I'm Abby. I'm a curriculum mentor for Science U. So we're going to do a lot of outside, a lot of traveling. We're looking at different plants and organisms. Right now we're doing the stream study, which is really cool. And so they get to pick up some organisms and things like that and record them, which is really, really cool. And then we're also doing like a little bit of like drawing, some sketching, some plants if we so want to. It's pretty cool.
We see a lot of kids come into our camp with a passion for the subject that they're already learning about. In this case, it's ecology. But we also get a lot of kids who may not know a whole lot about the subject or may not seem that interested in it. And a lot of these kids walk away with a new appreciation for the field. They get to see exactly what kind of careers they could, these interests could lead them to by talking to people who work in these fields. And we find that a lot of kids come out of these camps saying that they want to work in the subjects that they're learning about.
Yeah, this week has been just super fun. We had so much fun looking at some fish and some plants and wildlife and things of that nature. And I just think overall this week has been so exciting to get them to explore and be creative and see just all the different types of plants and animals we have in Pennsylvania.
Yeah, the campers are having a great time this week. They're finding a lot of cool things. They're learning a lot from the people who are knowledgeable here, and they're having a great time.
I mean, if you want to learn about ecology and life and plant and animals on Earth, coming to a summer camp is the way to do it because you're going to have that basic general knowledge that maybe some other kids wouldn't have starting out. And that's really cool because if you have a really big interest in that, then you could continue on that path and learn even more later on. And you could do so much with it. Yeah, Science U is just the best camp ever. I love Ecology Camp and everything that we do on here. They have had so much fun this week and it's just super exciting.